evaluate this double integral. Looking at the bounds and the x square plus y square is square, it looks like we can convert this into polar, and the calculations will be easier. Let's look at this. Inside limits are for x, so x is from negative square root of 4 minus y square to 4 minus y square. If we take x equals one of them, let's take top or bottom here. So x equals the top limit, root 4 minus y square, square both sides and bring y square to the left side, so we get a circle centered at 0, 0 with radius 2. And outside limits, look at y. Y is 0 to 2, so 0 to 2. So we are just getting this semicircle on positive y side, just above x-axis. Okay, so this is the region we are integrating on. We might be able to solve just using xy rectangular coordinates, but looks these are more complicated, way more complicated. So let's try to convert this in terms of polar. So basically we need to rewrite this region in terms of polar coordinates. So this double integral is same as, we know that x square plus y square is r square. So r square is square, so the function is r to the fourth, and dx dy is same as r dr d theta. So theta goes all the way outside and r inside. So in this case theta like this, 0 all the way to 180, so 0 to pi, theta is 0 through pi. And radius, if we look at this, okay, so 0, I mean this region touches origin, so r from 0 to all the way to outside here, which is always 2 wherever we go. So this is also 0 to 2, this is 0 to 2. So this looks now much simpler than what we have earlier. So r to the fourth times r is r to the fifth, and we can integrate r to the fifth. So this is 0 to pi r fifth, antiderivative of r fifth is r 6 over 6, and 0 to 2, dr is gone with the integration d theta, and this is 0 to pi, this is 6. Now we replace, this is 1 over 6, we can pull outside. In fact, r6 means 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6 is 64, minus 0 raised to 6 is 0, minus 0 is nothing, just 64 d theta. Now this is 1 over 6, let's integrate 64 with respect to theta, just 64 theta. In fact we can pull 64 outside, and this theta is from 0 to pi. Plug in upper limit, then lower limit. So 64, 6, 2 divides both. So this is 32 over 3. Upper limit pi minus 0, just pi. So 32 thirds pi, final.